Mantis Space, a relatively new player in the satellite industry, has been making waves with its ambitious plans for a constellation of spacecraft. But what's behind this company's sudden surge in momentum? One key clue lies in the appointment of Dale Parks, a seasoned executive with a long history at Boeing. As Mantis' new Chief Technology Officer, Parks brings a wealth of experience to the table, but what exactly does he plan to do with it? With Mantis Constellation still in its early stages of development, how will Parks' expertise shape the company's future? And what implications might this have for the broader satellite industry? Dale Parks' appointment as CTO is a significant move for Mantis Space, and one that reflects the company's growing ambitions. But to understand the context behind this decision, it's essential to look at the broader landscape of the satellite industry. Over the past decade, we've seen a surge in private investment and innovation, with companies like SpaceX and Amazon's Kuiper systems advancing what's possible. This trend has been driven in part by advances in technology, particularly in areas like propulsion systems and satellite manufacturing. Companies are now able to build smaller, more efficient satellites that can be launched into orbit at a fraction of the cost of their predecessors. This has opened up new opportunities for companies to launch constellations of spacecraft, providing global coverage and enabling services like broadband internet and Earth observation. Mantis Space is one such company, aiming to deploy a constellation of spacecraft to provide a range of services including satellite-based communication and navigation. But what sets Mantis apart from other players in the industry? One key factor is its focus on developing a highly efficient and scalable manufacturing process for its satellites. By leveraging advances in 3D printing and robotics, Mantis aims to reduce production costs and increase the speed at which it can launch new satellites. This approach has significant implications for the satellite industry as a whole. With companies like Mantis advancing what's possible, we're seeing a shift towards more agile and responsive manufacturing processes. This could lead to increased competition and innovation in the market, driving down costs and improving services for end users. But it also raises questions about the long-term sustainability of these new business models and the potential risks associated with rapid expansion. As Dale Parks takes on his new role as CTO at Mantis Space, he'll be tasked with navigating this complex landscape and guiding the company's technical strategy. With his experience at Boeing, he brings a deep understanding of the challenges involved in developing large-scale satellite systems. But will his expertise be enough to overcome the significant technical hurdles facing Mantis, or will other factors come into play? As we delve deeper into the specifics of Mantis Space's plans, it becomes clear that Dale Parks' appointment as CTO is a crucial step in the company's development. With his background at Boeing, Parks has experience with large-scale satellite systems, but what exactly does this mean for Mantis Constellation project? According to sources, Mantis aims to deploy a constellation of spacecraft that will provide global coverage and enable services like broadband internet and Earth observation. One key challenge facing Mantis is the development of its propulsion system. The company has stated that it plans to use a hybrid propulsion system, which combines elements of both chemical and electric propulsion. This approach offers several advantages, including increased efficiency and reduced fuel consumption. Implementing such a complex system requires significant expertise and resources. In an interview with Via Satellite, Mantis CEO mentioned that the company is working on developing a proprietary propulsion technology that will enable its satellites to maintain orbit for extended periods. While details about this technology are scarce, it's clear that Parks' experience at Boeing will be invaluable in guiding the development of this critical component. Another significant challenge facing Mantis is the scale and complexity of its constellation project. The company plans to launch hundreds of satellites into orbit, which requires a highly efficient manufacturing process. As we mentioned earlier, Mantis aims to leverage